Boo! Gotcha. Yep, this is what it was, everyone. This little thing right here. It's a little doorbellish thing that my sister got. This could be a little thing I could put on the door. You know, it's like a little Halloween thing, you know. Yeah, I also have that, though, got from my sister because she is away at Fulton or Alabama to college. But I'm soon going to put that out as soon as I get the room rearranged a little bit and, you know, put that up. So, I'll soon have the room rearranged soon and I'll, you know, see what comes up. Alright.